Hey everybody, it's a midlife YouTuber, and I'm going to talk to you about the things that are stopping you from living your dreams, making the kind of money that you want, and finally getting off your butt and making that first YouTube video. Because it's really just the fears that are stopping you. And I'm going to stop the fears that are stopping you, and I'm going to assuage them and make you feel like you can do this by the end. I will hypnotize you into doing this thing. But before I get into all that, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I say in every video, it means a lot to me and every other YouTuber out there. And then also, if you would, share this video with someone who you know it could help. Because why? Sharing is caring. So you're watching my video. I know you watch a bunch of others. I've seen you doing it. Watching other people's videos. You son of a bitch. But anyway, I guess that's all right. It's to be expected. There's people out there that have a lot more experience than I do. None of them have as much drive as I do, though. You notice that? The work ethic just is not phenomenal. So I wanted to address some of the objections that I hear, some of the things that I've picked up from comments and from conversations with people. And I want to kind of lay them to rest. So, let's talk about a couple of them. The biggest one that I hear is, well, that won't work for me. Well, why not? I mean, yeah, it's definitely not going to work for you because you're not going to try it. That's the only way for sure something's not going to work for you. I could say I could never be a pilot. I've never tried to be a pilot. How do I know I can't be a pilot? I mean, I'm afraid to fly, so that could probably be a hindrance. But maybe they need ground pilots. I could be one of those. But no, your objection that, it's never going to work. Well, yeah, if you don't try it, it's never going to work. But here's the thing. If you try it, it might work. It'll probably work. Some of the other things that I hear is, that YouTube's a scam. Ain't nobody's making money off of that. No. I hate to break it to you, but there are a lot of people that are making a lot of money. A lot of people who are making 4 or 5 times the money that they were making when they worked a regular job. And the sad part is, the thing that sickens me is most of these are kids. These are guys that never really worked all that much, and they figured out a way to make a much better living than I've ever made by just doing what I'm doing right now. It's kind of crazy. But you know what? If one person can do it, 1,000 people can do it. That's a beautiful thing about that. And once proof positive that, yeah, there are people that are doing it. There's some people out here that are making millions of dollars. I myself have never made millions of dollars, but they are. So yeah, so that objection is out there. It is a legit thing. People are making great money. Next thing that people go into is, yeah, but those people, they know tricks, and they know that they don't know anything special. The one thing that they know is that they knew that they wanted to do this. They knew they were going to make a living at YouTube, and they soldiered on until they started doing it. I don't know of many YouTubers. I'm not going to say none, but yeah, I'm sure there's a few of them that posted a couple videos and went viral straight away and, started making money almost from the gate. But for the vast majority, you got to put 50 to 100 videos up before things really start rocking and rolling for you. So did they know some secret sauce? Yeah, well, yeah, they knew they had to do it, and they knew they had to work at it, and they knew they weren't going to give up at it. Those are the people that are going to succeed. And in 90% of life, that's true. If you really want something to happen and you work really hard, that's how people make it. When you give up, that's when you fail. When you quit, that's when you fail. But if you keep going, eventually your hard work is going to pay off. Now, it may not pay off to the same degree that some other people are succeeding. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Your level is going to be your level. You're never going to get to that level if you don't first try, and you don't catch your first fish, and you don't make your first video. What other objections are there? I don't know anything about editing videos. I don't know anything about filming videos. Oh, guess what? Neither did I. I knew nothing. Zero. I mean, I could take a picture or film a video on my cell phone. Everybody knows how to do that. That's literally what I knew. I watched videos on how to post, but very few are specific to how to actually post. It's always how to get more views, how to make more money, how to beat the algorithm, and there are ridiculous false claims about, oh, you do this one trick and you'll get 1 million views right away. That's all bullshit. It really is. That's clickbait is what it is. It gets you to watch the video. And then I fall prey to that because I want people to watch my video too. But the trick is, once I get you to watch the video, I have a message to tell you. So I need you to click to hear the message. Put a juicy little worm on that hook and I cast it out. And then I hook the viewer and I pull them into the boat. You don't know how to make a video. You don't know how to upload to YouTube. Well, guess what? I'll tell you the simplest way to do it. I will give you the #1 hack for posting on YouTube. Just do it. Make a video. It doesn't have to be long. It could be 2-3 minutes long. Introduce yourself, introduce your niche. And you know what? Just do that. Just introduce yourself. Say, hey, my name's Christian Jensen. Today I turned 49 years old, and this is my first YouTube video. And I have no idea how to make a YouTube video, but I'm going to take you along on that journey, and everything I learn, I'm going to share with you. And that's basically what my first video was, because I wasn't really sure where to go with it. I wasn't sure what to do, and I didn't even know 100% that I was going to be able to successfully upload it to YouTube because I'd never done that. But I made the video, and I went and I sat at my computer, and I figured out, and it was not hard. It wasn't hard at all. I've smashed the it doesn't work. I've smashed the other people know things that you don't know. I've smashed the I don't know how to make a video or upload to YouTube. What other objections are there? Oh, well, what if somebody that I know sees the video and they think less of me, or they mock me, or they tell my friend group and my friend group thinks that I'm crazy and, oh, why are you putting yourself out there? Okay, well, first off, fuck them for judging you. Just be plain and simple about that. People who really care about you, people who have your best interests at heart, are going to see that you're trying to do something to better yourself. Explain that to them. Hey, look, man, I'm just trying something. I want to see if this YouTube thing is going to work. I've been doing a lot of research, and I decided on what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. So yeah, you saw a YouTube video of me, and yeah, it probably wasn't the best because it's one of my first videos or my first video. What are you doing to better yourself? What are you doing to achieve your goals? Now, I'm doing this for myself, but I'm also doing it for my family. So I don't let anybody else tell me how I can do that or how I should do that or whether I'm doing it right. No, for me, this is going to work. For you, this is going to work. I mean, if you're sticking around and you're watching this video, you want to do this. You want to make it go with this YouTube thing, and you can't worry about what other people think. Are people going to judge you? Maybe. Are people even going to laugh at you? It's possible, but you know what? So what? I stopped worrying about what people who don't pay my bills think a long time ago. So if you're not paying my bills, I don't need to listen to you at all. I'm doing what's right for me and my family. I want you to be a success. I want you to make money. I want you to live your dreams. And you can do that by making a video and uploading it to YouTube. And then making another video and uploading that one. And then another video and then another video. And doing it on a consistent basis. If you do that and you really work at making your videos better with every single one, you're going to succeed. You're going to get monetized. You're going to make money. You're going to make a fortune doing this. I'm deathly serious with this. I wouldn't lie to you. How long have we known each other? I wouldn't lie to you. But the thing is, you have to do it. You have to catch your first fish. You have to make your first video. You have to upload your first video. You have to make your mistakes, man. You're going to learn with every single video. You want to get better at editing? You have to edit videos. You want to get better at recording videos? You have to record videos. A lot of people go, I could never talk on camera. I can't do that. Well, you know what? I thought I could, and the first few videos were okay, but every subsequent video has gotten better. My ease on camera, the way that I speak, my message, it's all gotten so much better. And that's just from experience. So anyway, I think I've taken out a bunch of your fears. Let me know what ones I missed. What are you worried about or what is stopping you from starting your YouTube channel? Comment down below.